Yo, it's Chris O from Down Under, Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. I'm doing the front entrance way at the moment. I just want to show you DIYs, what I do. Like I'm putting my cuts in, and when your tiles are dry and you still want to put in your clip, cut in like that, cut your clip, I'll be tiling out here soon too. But I've been lucky because with the rain I didn't want to mix my glue inside, so I've been quite lucky. This porch has been dry and I've been able to mix up my glue on this porch. But I'll be tiling this. So you just cut under there like that, pop your clip in. I'll put this tile down and then I'll move on to the next. I'll have to keep that door open until I can knock out my clips. I'll knock out my clips before I go home, so at least they're able to close their door tonight. Keep the snakes out. And the cane toads. Heaps of cane toads in Queensland. They're quite a menace actually. So I've heard. Ugly. They're ugly frogs. Right, with your clipping, you've got just make sure we've got a bit in that corner. With your clipping, you know you're going to be and you do your wedges, you know you're bang on when you clip it together. You always want everywhere the best you can, but in a front entrance you even go to the extreme and get it absolute the best you super can. because people walk in the entrance. that down there. If you've got an old clip, take it out, because it could end up causing you grief, because it'd be keeping your tile up too high. Where's my broom? There it is. Checking for any high parts of glue. If it was a perfect world, well, all my clips would still be like that I put in the other day, but that doesn't always happen. You close the door and it knocks them, you stand on them accidentally and they break and all sorts. So in a perfect world they'd all be there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, do a comment. You could say, oh Jesus mate, there you go, you're a bit boring. Tell me what you'd like to see. you always try to do what you'd have in your own home. I do. Like if you really like something and that you'd have yourself, well, that's how you should work all the time. Maybe that's how come I get so much work through word of mouth. Anal. Nah, you just take pride in your work and your home and hose. Take pride in what you do, and you'll always be right. If you have the attitude, she'll be right, mate, well then you're stuffed. You'll never be a good tradie. You'll never be a good tradesman. And I reckon if there's an apprentice out there that is learning a trade, in 20 years time, mate, you're going to be bloody well off, because there's so many people that want a computer job. Not to be a tradesman anymore. So it's actually a dying art. Everyone thinks they can do well on the computer, and that's the way it's going. I asked my grandson the other day, you want to go to Bunnings, the hardware store? Nah, I'm alright, Pop. If I said to him, do you want to go to the computer store? Oh yeah! Yeah, no. How things are changing. Nice. Oh, nice. Sometimes if you're hitting the tile and it doesn't stay, clip it up with your wedges and then tap it into place, because it'll stay then. See how that's a little bit out? I'll tap it into place in a minute. Just like that. Clean your glue out the best you can. Come back to it tomorrow. Just use your knife to get it out when it's still green. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you soon. Bye.